What's good, YouTube? So in this video we're going to be talking about the Prime Minister of Barbados, Mia Mottley, reaching out to Rihanna to congratulating her and having her baby boy. And of course Rihanna, she's a national hero in Barbados, so I think it's only fair that the Prime Minister of Barbados reach out to Rihanna to congratulate her. She got a lot of love for Rihanna, she got a lot of respect for her, and obviously that's one of the reasons why Rihanna became a national hero, or they chose Rihanna to become a national hero. You get what I'm saying? But also I want to talk about Blac Chyna heading back to the courtroom once again, and this is basically part 2 of Blac Chyna versus the Kardashians family. But this time she's specifically going after Rob Kardashian, claiming that he actually leaked some X-rated videotapes with her, or photos or whatever, right guys? So yes guys, this is like a part 2 of this whole Blac Chyna against Kardashians family once again. But before I get into these topics guys, do not forget to like the video, do not forget to subscribe, and make sure you turn that notification bell on. That way you will get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get to the story about the Prime Minister Mia Mottley congratulating Rihanna. So this is what the article is saying. Prime Minister Mia Mottley congratulates new mom Rihanna. Barbados Prime Minister Mia Amor Mottley has extended her congratulations to new mom, the right excellent Robin Rihanna Fenty. News broke on Thursday, May the 19th, that the 34-year-old national hero and her beau, Rocky Myers, rapper A$AP Rocky, welcomed their first child, a boy. Prime Minister Mottley offered her heartfelt congratulations to the Barbadian superstar on behalf of all of Barbados. Mottley commended Rihanna's confidence throughout her pregnancy. Since revealing her baby bump in January, the Fenty beauty mogul has been spotted rocking bold, risky and midriff-bearing maternity looks, solidifying that she is a fashion's rule breaker. Hers was a pregnancy that captivated the world for the last few months, and it is my sincere view that Rihanna represented well women everywhere. She chose to wear her pregnancy with pride, never once treating it as a sickness or a period of withdrawal, as so many women have been made to feel was their place for centuries. In short, she redefined the worldview on how women must be viewed during pregnancy, said Prime Minister Mia Mottley. She added, today, Barbadians join tens of millions across the globe congratulating Rihanna and Rocky and sharing the joy of birth of their son. Alright guys, so basically Mia Mottley is saying that she's happy with how Rihanna dealt with her pregnancy, right? She didn't cover up, she just did it with pride, confidence. She loved how she dealt with that whole pregnancy throughout the 9 months. You get what I'm saying guys? So it's definitely a good look, and obviously Rihanna, you know, she wasn't holding back. She was showing her belly for most of the times, wearing what she wanted to wear, didn't care what persons were saying as long as she was making herself happy. And I think that is definitely good, you know. I don't think you have to be covered up because you're pregnant, you know. Obviously a lot of persons were criticizing her, saying that she should be dressing better and she should be doing this and she should be doing that. But at the end of the day, Rihanna is definitely one of those females. You can't control her. She do what she wants to do, right? And obviously, you know, she have the money to back it up. But let me know what y'all think about what the Prime Minister of Barbados is saying. Do you agree with it? Leave it in the comment section. So now we're going to talk about the Blac Chyna against Rob Kardashian situation, right guys? So let's get into this story. So it says, Chyna versus Kardashians courtroom showdown number 2. Reality stars revenge porn trial against ex-Rob Kardashian is set to kick off June the 13th, weeks after she lost her defamation case against the famous family. The stage is set for another Blac Chyna versus Kardashian showdown in Los Angeles next month, just a few weeks after the model reality star lost her defamation case. This time, Chyna, 34, is taking on Kim Kardashian's younger brother Rob Kardashian, her ex-fiancé, whom she accused of posting revenge porn nude photos of her on the internet after they split up. The pair's volatile and short-lived relationship was documented on 2016 reality series Rob and Chyna, a spin-off of hit show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Rob, 35, who shares 5-year-old daughter Dream with Chyna, was not in court Thursday when Judge Gregory Alaracon set the date for the revenge porn trial for June the 13th. Chyna, 34, whose real name is Angela White, was also absent at the hearing, though her attorney Lynn Ciani attended on her behalf via audio hookup. Ciani is currently fighting to get Judge Alarcon booted off the upcoming case, claiming he was extremely biased against Chyna during her most recent court battle, a defamation suit against Kim Kardashian, her sisters Khloe and Kylie, and mother Kris Jenner, which she lost month. Ciani and the judge clashed frequently during the earlier trial, but today their interaction during the brief hearing was cordial. In the much publicized 2 weeks trial that ended May the 2nd, the Kardashian women were accused of defaming Chyna and intentionally interfering with Rob and Chyna contract with the E! Network, leading to the show being cancelled after only 1 season. While jurors did not completely exonerate the billionaire clan, they didn't believe Chyna deserved any damages either and awarded her nothing. The mom of 2 had been seeking $108 million. After the case, a GoFundMe page was launched aiming to collect $400,000 to pay Chyna's legal costs in more than 2 weeks. It has raised a grand total of $1,331, around 0.3%. After the devastating court defeat, Ciani filed a statement of disqualification against Judge Alcon to have him removed, claiming the judge's extreme bias and unlawful rulings meant that Chyna did not receive a fair trial. She asked that the Chief Justice of LA Superior Court or another judge disqualify him, but Judge Alarcon refused to refer the issue upwards and instead decided himself to court order that Gianni's request be stricken, denied, saying that the statement of disqualification on its face discloses no legal grounds for disqualification, and he added a statement saying, "I am not prejudiced or biased against or in favor of any party to these proceedings or their counsel. All rulings made by me in this action have been based upon facts and arguments officially presented to me and upon my understandings of the law." Ciani attacked the judge ruling, telling DailyMail.com, Judge Alarcon did not permit the presiding judge or a different judge to rule in plaintiffs' Chyna comprehensive or material statement of disqualification. An unbiased judge would have allowed another Los Angeles Superior Court judge to review plaintiff's statement of disqualification and decide for himself or herself whether Judge Alarcon should have been disqualified. Instead, the biased judge ruled that he is not biased, thereby depriving Angela White, which is Blac Chyna, of justice once again. Ciani has threatened to go to California Court of Appeal in her efforts to get Judge Alarcon kicked off the upcoming revenge porn trial. Meanwhile, Michael Rhodes, the attorney who represented the Kardashians women in their victory over Chyna 2 weeks ago, condemned Ciani's bid to disqualify Judge Alarcon, calling it a baseless effort to save face after losing its trial, and he blasted Ciani's move as devoid of any legal basis to disqualify Judge Alarcon from presiding over further matters in their actions. Alright guys, so Blac Chyna won't stop. Obviously, she definitely out for the Kardashians family, and I'm gonna be honest guys, if Rob Kardashian did leak any form of photos or whatever on the internet with Blac Chyna, that is definitely wrong, so he should definitely pay for that. But if Chyna did it herself and is trying to gain from all of this, then she should not be awarded. So let's just hope that this whole situation works out the way how it is supposed to work out. No form of biasness towards anyone, you get what I'm saying guys? But let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching the video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe, peace.